Andrews Air Conditioning is one of the UK's premier providers of air conditioning services. We provide advice and guidance on every aspect of your air conditioning, from initial equipment selection, supply and on-site installation, right through to the whole-life maintenance of the system, as well as any upgrades or repairs which may become necessary in the future. Andrews Air Conditioning Services is also accredited to a number of internationally recognised standards, including ISO 14001 and ISO 9001. We're REFCON registered and belong to the Building and Engineering Services Association, of which we are founding members. Our services offered also include TM44 air conditioning efficiency inspections and F-gas surveys, which both form part of government legislation. Installation. Our expertise includes the design and supply of new installations using the latest systems manufactured by Daikin, Toshiba, Mitsubishi Electric, and other leading names in the industry. We understand that every installation project is unique, so our quotations and tailor-made proposals cover everything you feasibly need, helping you achieve configurations like in this example. Maintenance. Avoiding air conditioning breakdowns is a major priority for all our customers. Our experience also tells us that regular planned maintenance is essential to ensure efficient, trouble-free running of any air conditioning system. Our planned maintenance contracts are specifically tailored to suit your environment and installation. The frequency of our maintenance visits will be agreed with our customers to ensure the optimum reliability and efficiency of your aircon system. Repair. Warmer summers and colder winters mean the comfort of your staff, equipment or office space can no longer be an optional luxury. Instead, it is a necessity. Andrews provides a range of air conditioning repair and breakdown services, and we have the knowledge and expertise to perform these actions under all circumstances. We also repair and maintain systems that we haven't installed, irrespective of the manufacturer. We are a member of the Andrews Sykes Group, the UK's leading specialist hire company. This makes us the complete all-in-one climate control solution provider, with contingency plans for temporary cooling and heating requirements often agreed for extra peace of mind in the event that something was to go wrong with your system. For decades, Andrews has provided air conditioning solutions for commercial customers across all sectors, including but not limited to offices, retail, IT and server rooms, healthcare, and many more. For more information on Andrews Air Conditioning and our wide range of services, call our team on 0800 731 8833 or visit us online at www.airconditioningservices.com.